Halloween is in the middle of the week. Do you have time to get ready? I sure don't have time to get ready. So I picked up these from Walmart. They were $2.44. They still have a ton left. We're going to do a really quick Halloween look. If you don't have time to sit here and take forever to do your makeup for Halloween because your kids want to go trick-or-treating. Make a mistake, just get a makeup removing cloth and line out how you want it, like that. Take a black eyeliner and line your lips. Blend that in. So take your finger and just rub it out. Put a little bit in the corner and blend that as well, just for the corner. Your lipstick or your lip liner that's red and make the center more red, just like that. Make it more drastic, get some Scotch gift wrapping tape, and we're gonna do a drastic wing. Using that same eyeliner and putting the tape right here, we're just gonna draw right on top of it into the lashes and do a really, really big wing, like that. Remember, your makeup could be done just like this. You're ready to go trick-or-treating with your kids, but I'm gonna pop these on real quick. It's just a sticker that peels off. It's gonna go right on the face. I think this turned out great, and it only took, what, a whole 5 minutes to do. So if you're in a time crunch and you need a quick Halloween look, I think this turned out great. Obviously, this and this are completely optional, but I think they just bring a little bit more bling. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and have a happy Halloween.